Himesh, tell me, why do we read?
I read to gain knowledge.
Which book do you enjoy most?
The enjoy most Ramayana.
Ramayana. Is the Ramayana a prose piece or
No.
poet? Yes, tell me.
The Ramayana is epic poem.
Epic poem. Very good. Who is the main character in the Ramayana?
Sri Ramchandra is main character of Ramayana.
Who wrote the Ramayana?
Valmiki wrote the Ramayana.
Who was Valmiki?
But he is a great sage.
Great sage. Achha. Is your Ramayana written in Odia?
Yes, the Ramayana is written in Odia.
Acha. What did Rama do?
Rama killed Ravan and freed his wife Sita.
Sita. Rama. Called Rama. Okay. Why do Rama kill Ravan? Do you know why did Ravana killed by Rama? Tell me.
Because Ravan took away Sita and freed his wife Sita.
Okay. Why do you like Rama?
The Ram was ideal son, ideal brother, and ideal husband and ideal friend.
Okay, very good. Do you ever see Ramayana in picture or movie?
Yes.
Yes.
I am seeing Ram.
You said so. Okay, thank you. Sit down. Tell me, what is the name of your country?
The name of my country is India.
What is the other name of India?
The other name of India is Bharatvarsh.
Who is the Prime Minister of India now?
Sri Narendra Damodar Das Modi is the Prime Minister of India now.
Who is the President of India now?
Mrs. Draupadi Murmu is the President of India now.
When did our country become free?
Our country became free on 15th August 1947.
Very good. When did India become a republic?
India become
Republic.
Republic on 26 January 1950.
Very good. Tell me, who was the first Prime Minister of India?
Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India.
Who was the first President of Free India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the first President of India.
Who is called the Father of Nation?
The father of nation Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay, very good. Do you know the name of our national flag? What is the name of our national flag?
Tiranga.
Triranga. Okay. What are the colors there in our national flag?
There are saffron, white, green.
Okay, thank you. Milan, what is the sun?
The sun is a star.
Very good. What is the moon?
The moon is a satellite.
What is our earth?
Our earth is a planet.
Who moves around the sun?
The earth moves round the sun.
What is the sun like?
The sun is a big ball of fire.
Very good. The sun look like a big ball of fire. Acha, what do we get from the sun?
We get light and heat from the sun.
Very good. Where does the moon get its light from?
The moon get its light from the sun.
Very good. Where do we get life on the water? On the earth?
We get.
Where do?
We do.
Yes. Where do we get
air, water and sunlight on the earth.
Okay. Name some other planet you know.
They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Neptune, etc.
Very good.
Good afternoon to one and all present over here. Myself Bhargavi. I read in class 8 in Series SBSC School Costa. He is going to speak a few lines on the given topic punctuality. Punctuality means being on time. It is a very good habit. A punctual person gets respect from all. It helps us to bring discipline in our daily lives. It saves our time. It is the key to success. It helps us to achieve success. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good.
Good afternoon to one and all present over here. Myself, Sunbracharya, sitting in standard 5 of Siksha CBSE School, is standing in front of you to say a few lines on the given topic, punctuality. Punctuality means being on time. It's a very good habit. A punctual person is respected by all. It helps us to bring success. It helps us to bring discipline in our daily life. Punctuality builds self-confidence. It is the key to achieve success. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Very good.
I am Avinash Acharya. I am a student of Shirdi Sai CBSE School. It is an English medium school. The school was established on 2011. There is a lot of facilities in our school like good water supply and electric supply, suitable classrooms and neat clean bathrooms, and there is also 2 separate girls and boys hostels. About 250 students are studying here and about 20 teachers are teaching. Here is for every teacher here is different subjects. Every kind of subjects are taught here. So I am very happy that I am studying here. So I want to say to the guardians that they should admission their children here, because in our rural areas this is only a English medium school. So here is also a very good quality of education. So I want to say that. Thank you.
Hello, myself Vijay Vindhani. I am a standard 10 student of Shirdi Sai CBSE School, Costa. It is an English medium school. Very soon I am going to appear CBSE board examination. I am very happy to see something about my school. There are more than 25 teacher staffs. They all are well qualified and experienced. They encourage and motivate the students for their better studies. The subjects they taught in our school are English, Math, Science, SST, Odia, Computer, Drawing, etc. We also observe many festivals like Saraswati Puja, Ganesh Puja, etc. And we also observe national festivals like Independence Day and Republic Day. And I am thankful to my parents to give me a chance to read in the school, and I suggest all the parents to give their children a chance to read in the school. Thank you.
Avinash Acharya, you are the best student for the year 2022-23 education year. Yes, sir. Very good. You have secured 92% marks in our board exam. So, I am very grateful to you. Now, Avinash Acharya, I want to ask you, what are you doing now?
Sir, currently I am studying in Delhi Public School in Bhubaneswar.
What public school?
Delhi Public School in
Delhi Public School. He is reading now Delhi Public School. Achha. What was your experience in your school time? Tell me something.
A very good evening to all. At first, thank you so much for this prestigious honor. I would like to express my grateful and thankfulness for all the teachers who have played a very significant role in shaping my academic journeys here in this school. They have helped me throughout my journey and to tackle with all the problems that I faced here. This institution has equipped me with all the tools that I needed for success, and now
You are the best student for the year 2022-23 education year. Very good. You have secured 92% marks in our board exam.
all the tools that I needed for success. And now for this only reason I am studying in Bhubaneswar, changing my life from a village to a city.
So can I ask you some question, Avinash?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is your future goal right now?
I want to be an IAS officer.
Very good.
Very good news. God bless. God bless you.
It's a very huge thing that from the village to the city. एक छोटे से कस्बे से गांव से एक बच्चा पढ़ रहा है भुवनेश्वर सिटी में और IIMS की तैयारी कर रहा है, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है कि नहीं? तो आप लोग का प्रोत्साहन मिलता रहेगा. I just want to know one more query to you. What is your experience regarding your township?
Villages and cities are like worlds apart. They are like the vast difference. Currently, when I have shifted there for the first time initially, I was facing a lot of problems. But with time, I found a way and tackled the problem. And currently, I am studying here with full consistency.